Hello YouTube, I'm Rose, and welcome to another reaction video. Today's video is yet another funny video I've seen before, but this time it's kind of music related. But I don't think I can get in trouble for it. At least, I hope. Alright, so, if you haven't seen the two original videos that are linked to this one, I strongly, and I mean strongly suggest that you watch those first. So, click the card in the top right corner. This video might be enjoyable without context, but with context, honestly, it makes it much better. And a lot of these comments are just pure genius. Oh my god! Yes! Oh wait, they're using the animation from the original. That's funny. I love it. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
Yeah. Now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one la like TomSka? Take it away, Gabe.
Wow. Who was that though? I never understood who that actually was, because I'm pretty sure that the guy who created this is British, unless he's pulling off a very good American, quote-unquote, American accent. That's not the same guy. Maybe I'm just insane. I don't know. Anyway.
TomSka. Take it away, Gabe. Throw your hands up, then float like a ghost. Here's what to do now, yo like a dog.
Oh my god.
Just bounce around, it's easy for me. Go crazy now, and screech like a leaf.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god! I forgot about that. Oh my god. There's no bass. It's very sad and disappointing. I'm sorry. There it is. Sorry, he's relishing in the bass right now.
Yeah. So,
oh, okay.
You know how to swish like a fish, I see. But is that all you can do? Throw your hands up and squawk like a hawk. Drop to the floor and cluck like a dog.
Oh my god.
Just bounce around, come on, I'll show you how. Go crazy now and growl down like an owl.
What? Oh my god, that's... Oh my god, it's amazing. There it is! That's the one! That was the one that got me originally. Because it was just so good. I don't know how they did it. Oh my god. That was the one. But, anyway. That was a great reference. That was a great reference. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was the one. That was the one that got me. But there were so many good ones. There were so many good ones. I swear to god though, if this gets copyrighted, I'm gonna be so mad. But oh my god. I want them to do another one. It's so good. People are so clever and I'm here. It's like, how? I love this so freaking much. Oh god. I love this. This so much. Point blank, I'm bad at rhyming. That person totally knew what they were doing too. That's probably my shortest reaction video ever. Actually, it is. Anyway, that about does it for today's video. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time. Wait, before you click off, please leave a comment, then like and share this video if you enjoyed it. Also,
don't forget to subscribe.
And turn on notifications. Links to social media and other stuff is in the description. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, don't forget, emptiness does not conquer dreams. Dreams conquer the emptiness.